Here it comes, Unbind without limitation, no restrictions on systems, models or countries, upgrade GE repair platform, everyone is able to unbind.
Open GE repair in the latest version v1.2.0.1.61. Enter the read phone interface. Click brushing. Check time aware of the above precautions. Click start flashing and unbinding. Reminder, the mobile phone will enter recovery mode during unbinding. It is needed to flash with the flash software before entering the system. Users can select to flash by protecting data, but the data is possible to lose. Please backup ID or the important data in advance. Click confirm. The flash and unbind process is completed. Open the flash software of the third party and wait for the flash process to complete. The mobile phone has been flashed and unbound successfully.